Slatty, let's go. Hey man, we got crazy woman in stolen HVAC van takes the bat unit on the chase. Before we get in this bit, make sure you subscribe right now. I ain't gonna do too much talking, let you get into it. Amy.
We can we're on the back side of 681 Flint River coming out to Flint River in a second. I be advised you that she's probably going to try to ram your vehicle. Bad one, can somebody notify the man? Lieutenant Warren. We're coming out of the complex right now. She's going to be stopping. Stand by. Cat 1 radio on Flint River coming up to Terra Boulevard. Hey, somebody call this for me.
Not the pit on that big ass fucking van, bro. Come on now. That big ass van. Big fat ass van. Soccer mom ass van.
Good job,
Cool air van ass.
60 miles per hour. Fayetteville Road. Yeah, I'm good. I tried to get it, man. This shit too heavy, man. I need a time little brother. My phone ain't working with it. Oh, shit.
Down, that big ass man still going.
Oh, shit. Alright, dude, love you calling. Radio Ruby, sir. 138 coming up on left, sir.
Boy, that motherfucker went flying, boy.
Alright, dude, love you
That
calling.
motherfucker
Radio
down
Ruby,
there
sir.
flying through the top
138
of shit,
coming
boy.
up on left,
Okay. Damn.
Big,
Damn.
roll
This
on.
motherfucker flipped like 3, 4, 5 times. It's over, man. It's over. Damn!
Let me see your hands, man. Negative. Negative. You see it? You got. Let me see your hands now. Let me see your hands now. Let me see your hands now.
Bro, the nigga upside down.
Let me see them hands now. Put them hands up. I got you. Reach up. Reach up. Reach all the way up.
We got it.
I know it.
We can put her in my car. Let me put her down real quick.
What's your foot?
Right here.
This one?
Yep. No, other side, other side. Alright, hold on. Stop moving. I want my picture taken. I want my picture taken.
Get in the car. Come on. Got it.
Alright, come on. Have a seat. You got it? Shut the
It's the county boy. It's the county boy. I'm a county boy. She said I'm a country boy. I'm a little country boy. Little bad little bitch, she love my action. I'm a little country boy. Bad little bitch, she love my action. Hey, that be hard though. I feel that be too hard. That be 3 hard anyway. That shit crazy though. Yeah, sorry that don't flip the motherfucking car. That be crazy hell, bro. Anyway, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hey.